Hi, it's Chandi from ExpressionFiberArts.com. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. The purpose of being here with you today is to help you find patterns for all that beautiful yarn you see online and in your local shops. This is the response I get whenever I get emails. Chandi, I see this beautiful yarn you posted, but what can I make with it? I'm going to help you out with that today and show you exactly what I say. The most important thing to consider when you're starting to find patterns for your yarn is the weight of your yarn. I did a video on that previously, so go watch that so you know what I mean. I'm not talking about how heavy it is, it's the thickness of the strand. So for example, this is our holographic resilient sock yarn, which is a fingering weight. So we're going to start with that, and I'm going to walk you through Ravelry.com to show you how to find patterns that you're going to love that you can use this yarn for. Go to Ravelry.com. This is the home page of Ravelry. You want to click on patterns. There are a lot of things you could click on here. If you want to sort by just crochet or knitting, you can. I'll just leave it on both. You want to click on Pattern Browser and Advanced Search. Then you're going to come down to this block here on the left that says weight. And since we have fingering weight yarn, you're going to tick that, and it'll filter and show you only fingering weight patterns. So at this point, you could just go through and find something you like. Let's just pick a random one and say you want to make this. And if you haven't bought your yarn yet, you're going to find your size, and you're going to then determine the yardage that you need. Once you know the yardage, then you know how many skeins to purchase. So if you need 1,600 yards, our example sock yarn has 400 yards, you would need to buy 4 skeins. So that's how you do that. Or you could take it a step further, and there are other ways to sort. Example, age or size. If you know you want adult patterns only or baby patterns, you can check one of those boxes. If you prefer to only knit or crochet or machine knit or loom knit, you can check only those boxes. If you have a limited yardage you've already purchased, you'll want to sort by that amount of yardage. You can also sort by different types of fiber if you would like. Another one is attributes. For example, if you want to work stripes, you would click on color work, stripes, and you're only going to see patterns that utilize that. Category, right here, this is a really great one. If you decide, hey, I really want to make a shawl, you could click on accessories, neck torso, and then shawl wrap, and you're just going to see shawl patterns. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped you learn how to find some patterns that you love for that yarn that you adore. Keep a watch for my future videos for additional information about fiber blends and different plies of yarn, drape, etc., all that good stuff. Whatever specific info you want on that, go ahead and comment below and let me know so I can try to get that information to you. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Keep in mind that the best way to keep in touch with me is via email newsletter. Head to ExpressionFiberArts.com and sign up for my email updates there, and I will let you know when we have big monthly yarn giveaways, coupon codes to my shop, new product releases, free patterns, and a lot more. So you go out, have a great day, do some crafty, artsy stuff, and I'm going to catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye.